something that I was going to talk about. I was looking at, you put out a video this week about guys saying, hey, I'll send you my hokey fuel-saving equipment, right? And test it out. And I'm like, I had this freaking brainstorm.
Oh, wait a second. Before you even go any further with that.
I don't want any equipment. It's not about
No,
equipment.
before you go, GreenAutoTechnology. Thank you for the super chat, GreenAutoTechnology. Package arrived today. When will you test it out? Oh, Jesus. Hang on. Let me go check the mail. You want to? I'll be right back.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll hold this over myself. Anyone got any questions about No Name Nationals? A rant coming, huh? No, I didn't know if, are you talking about maybe my rant? I had a good idea. Well, thank you very much, Mr. Hammyhead68. We try to do good work. Yes, there will be a pit bike race at the No Name Nationals, but it's actually called the Monkey Bike Challenge, and it's a specific bike that you got to get. It is actually a mini bike. It's gas powered.
All right, so we're going to do a live unboxing here.
Oh, man, how does this thing look?
Because GreenAutoTechnologies has sent us a package of something that he wants me to test.
All right.
And I'm already very leery of this. I bet you this thing's going to explode. Just
You think it's that bad? Oh, man, this sucker is sealed up. Hey, you know what we need? We need like a male person like on Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood.
You know, it could be a glitter bomb. People are saying glitter bomb.
Well, we'll find out.
Well, put your face over that.
It doesn't appear to be. Oh, it says enjoy.
Oh, jeez.
Uh-oh.
Is it a box full of cash?
You have a lot of stuff in here. There seems to be quite a few instructions that you might want to follow to the T.
All right. Well, let's see what the item is. What's it say?
I don't. There's literally like 10 instructions in here. Tribo Max, distributorship opportunity. Okay, what do we got? You have a rag, shake bottle and spray, and it comes with a microfiber cloth. So, it's on the other side.
Tribo Max. He sent some.
You see how smooth and black it is, and like how it's not really that dirty compared to what a 2005 Honda really looks like. Okay. So, to show you how really smooth this is, we're gonna put on just a regular tank top and just slide it across the hood. Right? Straight off. There's nothing on it, nothing, right? Watch it on my shirt, just prove it again. It comes right off. Compared to the Camaro over here, it just goes straight on. If we put it right there, nothing. I've applied it to my own car as well, my 2019 Altima, and well, I put it on a couple days ago, but it still falls right off. It still slides straight.
Tribo Max.
Tribo Max.
Which is real quick. Okay. Okay. Treatments. When you receive it.
It's a shot. It's like a okay, yeah.
Like a wax.
Yeah. Okay. I'm looking forward to trying that.
You need to try that T-Max. It's the best I have used since 1985, and I guarantee it works.
Awesome.
You put my money into T-Max because it's more durable to cars, no matter the color. It works great on every color I have used. And I have used it on white, black, red, blue, and it's all that he said it is. So I would put my money on that.
Definitely.
Oh, for aerodynamics? Okay, we got a few other items here. Here's another Tribo Max nano ceramic restorative thing on your. It says
It's a throttle body.
Open the plate to wave mod. Yeah, I don't know what it's for though. What is the wave mod?
Okay, here we go. We're gonna check out this is F-150, 2004. It's 5.4, and we're gonna check out the exhaust, see what it's like.
Triton motor, common.
Yes. Sitting here right on the pipe. It's just hot air. It's just hot air.
No taste, no smell?
No taste,
And you don't have COVID.
No. Very nice.
Wave mod. I got it on the wrong side. I don't understand. Off of 08 Silverado, it's obviously a drive-by-wire.
Yeah.
I don't know what this wave mod
Let me
is.
see. They built a groove. They cut a groove right before the throttle plate. You see it right there?
That real shallow one? Oh, that big one there. Okay,
Yeah.
gotcha.
I mean, I would imagine that's going to cause air to pile right before.
More volume of air directly in front of the throttle
Open
body.
plate to C valve.
What do you have to say about that, Joe?
You can definitely tell the power difference in that, without a doubt.
You like that?
Yeah, that's really good. I mean, you figure you felt it didn't jump, you know?
Yep. Kind of have to get used to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
But even through the range, you know, you could just feel. I mean, it was no hesitation whatsoever. It's very smooth, like 4,500 RPMs. Yeah, that's very nice. As far as just how much smoother it is in itself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's really nice.
All right. Well, you guys heard it again. And, you know, Silverados, what am I talking about? Every gasoline engine loves this, guys. Okay. And Mr. Hux does too.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right.
It's a go for me.
All right. Thanks for watching.
UTG, howdy neighbors. Michael Lee writing here, CEO of GreenAutoTechnology. Please test and report your findings with these techs in this package. Take a look at our YouTube channel, GreenAutoTechnology, to see what you can expect. Thank you for all your hard work and knowledge so generously shared. Okay.
Raises vacuum to 27 inches for complete combustion.
Any smell coming out?
There is no smell.
No smell? I thought gasoline engines pollute.
They should.
Yours doesn't?
Nope. Not now.
What did I do?
Regroove my throttle body.
Yes, sir. That's all it takes, man. All 100% power driving your piston down now.
Complete combustion.
Man, you're going to get 90,000 views on this because we unboxed something live.
I tell you what, why don't you? That's something you could test on your channel. Green Auto Technology. He's saying they do carburetors too. So we do carb mods the same. Any gas motor. That's no problem. Why don't you send me a carburetor that I could put on that same car, that GT, that 67 GT? Just any. I actually, doesn't matter. Square bore, spread board, doesn't make any difference. Send me a carburetor that's been modified that way. And I can give it a good test myself. If not, I'm going to have to talk to Jim Bennett, and if to fit that onto one, I think he has something that will fit on. Any Carter or Edelbrock, I can just stick that right on a car, and that would be easy for me to do a back-to-back test and actually evaluate it.